Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Tesla Model 3 door, only ways. Start by disconnecting the 12V battery, remove interior trim, and carefully release clips to expose bolts and harnesses. Keep track of each fastener and take photos for reassembly. Label connectors for the power window and lock harnesses. Use proper torque when reinstalling bolts and verify door alignment and electrical function before finishing. Begin by lowering the window a little to access trim edges and speaker covers. Use a plastic pry tool to release the clips without damaging paint or upholstery. Unscrew visible screws and carefully pull the panel outward, watching for hidden clips along the perimeter. Disconnect speaker and switch harnesses gently and place all trim pieces on a clean surface. This prevents lost clips and makes reassembly straightforward later on. With the panel removed, support the glass and detach any regulator mounting bolts to free the window assembly. Unplug mirror and handle linkages and remove the door check strap fasteners. Have a helper support the door weight while you remove hinge bolts to avoid damaging hinge pins or paint. Store bolts in labeled containers and photograph bolt locations. Move the door slowly away from the body to avoid snagging wiring harnesses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.